Hi, and welcome to the GrooveFunnels Fast Start-Course. I'm your course creator, Martin Bödecker, and I'm the host of FindFocus.net, and I'm a top GrooveFunnels affiliate. And at the beginning of this course, I would like you to be open-minded, because I would like you to start with this question: is what if this was simple? Because I feel a lot of people really overcomplicate building funnels and building their business, and this is not the way to go. And we have to keep in mind that GrooveFunnels is still in beta, so that means some functionality that you might know from other apps like Katra, which I still run my main business on, is not available. But I created this course around a new program that I'm launching that will teach you how to get free traffic to your website and to your funnel, and how to make sales. And for this, I'm building a complete brand, completely new on GrooveFunnels, and I will show you the exact process. One thing I want to mention, and this is really important: if you have not upgraded to GrooveFunnels Pro, please make sure that you do, because the deal you're getting is simply amazing. Like, what you will have to pay in monthly fees is just like insane. And this app, even though I do not know when you're watching this, but it will pay for life. And most people underestimate how long it takes to build a business if they do not follow a proven model like what I'm teaching in my paid course. But this is really about a course that will show you how to build a funnel in GrooveFunnels and Groove, with Groove Pages and Groove Mail and everything as well. And whenever I mention a tool or something, just know that you do not have to use the same tool. Like, I bought a couple of tools at some point from various deals that I got, but you will always find similar tools, for example, for creating graphics and things like this as well. And besides a graphic tool like Canva, which is free, or like some similar tool which are very low cost, there's nothing else that you really need to succeed with building a great funnel here on Groove Pages, except traffic to your funnels, which is my course about. But we will have a lot of time and spend a lot of time together, where you see how I built my brand, how all the thinking process that goes into it, so you can replicate this yourself. GrooveFunnels offers a lot of amazing free stuff, and there's a lot of things and apps and templates and things that you can get for free. And I will try to leverage this, because this is I'm building this for myself, and I want you to know, to see every step in the way, so you can replicate this process as soon as well. I'm documenting this in real time, and I'm figuring out things in real time. I'm not a funnel building expert. I like to show you how to make more money, and this is basically what I did with GrooveFunnels in the past. So just a little motivation for you, I'm a top affiliate for GrooveFunnels. You see their top period. This was when I was ranking pretty high in Google and stuff like this, but all of this is built with free ads and without paying any paid advertising. And you see, I made more than $100,000 in commissions, because this graphic is not showing my tier 2 commissions, which is simply amazing, and I'm so grateful. And all of these sales basically came from this page, and this is a page that I've built with Groove Pages a long time ago, actually. And you can see it's not the best looking page, but it gets the job done, essentially. And one thing that I want you to know, it's this whole process is around building, just providing value, being authentic, which I believe is much more important than the actual page that you built. But compared to this page, I recently promoted the GrooveFunnels magazine, and I've built this page, and there's like, the Groove Pages got so much better in between these two pages. The templates that you get are so amazing, especially if you upgrade. And if you upgrade, like, just a moment, like, you will get access to all of this. I calculated the total value to 12,000. They currently officially say it's $17,000 per year, but yeah, you will save a lot of money when you upgrade, and you will get access to my Pareto Summit as well, where I basically learned paretosummit.net, where I learned what it really takes to build a successful online business. These are interviews with Mike Filsaime, with Jim Edwards, who's working with Russell Brunson on funnel scripts and things like this, like the Stephen Hilgard, the national trainer of Tony Robbins, and a lot of really successful people. I interviewed Mike Filsaime, Mike Koenigs, Blake Nuba, Perry Marshall. I'm a huge fan of Perry Marshall, AJ Roberts, who's the CEO of Kartra, and a lot of really amazing people, to Comma Club winners and CEOs. And I built this as a charity event, so that's how I got all these people. And you can also join the waiting list and get put into some kind of funnel that I've built on Kartra. But you will get access to all of this, and it's pretty amazing what you will get there. Like, just here's some comments there, like where people really raved about the quality of the interviews and what they learned. And I've distilled everything right now, adding a lot of other features and bonuses and more free software for traffic generation in my paid program that you can access as well. Or maybe you're even part of this and seeing this Fast Start course right now. That being said, as I said, I might use some other software tools. A great place to get software tools is AppSumo. I will put a link below. But just know that, besides an app, for example, like this one, where you create some graphics, like these apps have become really cheap in this day and age. They typically, like a graphic program, you can get for $49. Like, this one will not be available when you see this, but this is just an example. Like, there's a new graphic tool everywhere, or you can just use Usign. If you're a long-term member of Groove, like you probably have that free as well. I will be using one of their templates. You can, like, if you want to go beyond of what I teach you in this Fast Start course, you can enroll in this brand challenge, which is pretty cool, and I will be using their template. So that being said, I hope you're motivated to go with me through this course. I'm motivated because I do not know what challenges lay ahead of me, because I got a lot of emails saying, Martin, you're not using GrooveMail, nobody else is using GrooveMail, and you cannot is it good enough to build a whole business around? And this course and the paid program that I'm selling along with this course will be built completely on Groove. Later on, you might see me switching to Kartra, because I really want to scale this. But right now, I promise to myself I will make my first $10,000 in sales at least, just using Groove and apps that come along with Groove. And this is what you will see me doing. Just like Mike Filsaime, I really like to walk my talk. And sorry for the long intro here, but I really wanted to set the stage, and I will try to keep the next videos really short and to the point, because there's something I noticed in the GrooveFunnels group, that a lot of people really want like a short, do this, do that way to build their business on GrooveFunnels. And so I will show you the step-by-step process that I take to launch a high-ticket course that I will say I will sell for $1,000 or $2,000. And this is how I built it. And we got an amazing tool with Groove Pages and Groove Sell, which is basically all you need. GrooveMail is in beta, which will provide some challenges, as you will see right now, but at the time of the recording, they might have fixed the things that I was struggling with. But it's definitely good enough. I know Mike and the team, they're using GrooveMail themselves to build like this $50 million or $100 million company. I do not know, with more than 400,000 users at the time of recording. And I'm really excited for you to be here. So let's dive right into it.